Hi and welcome. In this video I will be giving you a breakdown of businesses you can do with 5k. In the other video I didn't give a breakdown. And also, if you would like to learn how to create passive income online, you can watch my full playlist, it's there. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Just click the subscribe button below and also hit the like button. It means a lot to me. Also make sure you do comment so that we may interact. So now, the first business you can do with 5k in Kenya is the selling of the second-hand clothes or even shoes or bags. So with 5k, this is what you can do. You can take a stock of 3k, and in this case you're not taking a full bill, you just be picking pieces. So identify a person who sells in wholesale, or who can, or maybe if you're not close to Gikomba, of course this is the biggest supplier market of second-hand clothes in Kenya. Make sure you can get somewhere some pieces in wholesale price of at least 3k. Transportation I have estimated to 500. Then you can market on social media or even by word of mouth, 500. That is for the bundles, of course, and maybe other expenses, 1,000. With this one, you can sell online on TikTok lives, or you can sell in your nearest shopping center, or in your nearest town center, or maybe if you're near a school, you can sell near the school. The second business we had said is a street vending of smoky and boiled eggs, and this is how with 5k you can arrange yourself. You can pick a stock of 2k, that is the eggs and the smoky and everything including the tomatoes, the tomato sauce. You don't have to pick the large one, start small. Then a jiko and a few utensils. You can even pick the utensils from your home. I've estimated to 1,500. Packaging materials 500, and in case licensing is required, or if you need to pay maybe the health, maybe if you're standing maybe in a near town center, 1,000 shillings, of which it's not also a must. It will depend with your area. Then we have the liquid soap making and sales, the raw materials at 3k, containers and packaging at 1k. The marketing materials you can market on social media, of course, 500, and other expenses 500, and you estimated to make a profit of 2,500 per batch. Then you have a mobile airtime reseller where you can pick your initial airtime at 4,000, then the SIM tool or your phone 500, and then marketing 500, and you estimated to make a profit of 200 to 500 per day. The other business is errand services. This is where maybe you're doing deliveries to people with your bicycle, or with just you can just do it if you don't have a bicycle. And you can estimate transportation at 2k. To market yourself with business cards or word of mouth or social media, 1,000. Airtime of 500, and other expenses 1,500. With this one is where maybe we have people who are very busy in offices, and maybe these people they don't have time to do like shopping, they don't have time to take their laundry like that. So you can design a business card and then take it to them. So what you can do is your work is to do shopping for them and deliver it to them. You can, any errand that they want done, you can do it for them. With 5k you can also do a mobile nail technician, and I believe in our town centers we have seen these people who always walk with a bag carrying this manicure and pedicure kit, and they can make your nails anywhere. You get a kit at 3k, a portable stool at 1k, and you don't even need the stool. Then you can market yourself on social media, 500 for that budget, and maybe any other expenses 500. You can make between profit of 500 to 2,000 per day depending on your location and how you have marketed yourself. The other one is the fruit and vegetable vending. You can pick an initial stock of 3k. In fact, 3k is even much, 2k. maybe somewhere to display 1,000, and 500 for packaging and other expenses 500. These businesses goes very well, especially near schools or in very busy streets or towns, because every day people are eating fruits and vegetables. The other one which you can do is homemade ice cream sales, and some of the ingredients you need are milk, sugar, flavors at 2K, packaging materials 1,000. Okay, freezer rental. So maybe if you don't have a freezer at your home or a fridge to make these ice creams, let's say you've identified someone who has one and you've rented, that is 1,000, just an estimate, and then you can market 1,000. And these people, they do make a lot of profit, between 300 to 500 per day. Also, weight measurement services. Oh, you just need a weight scale at 3K, market yourself, and other expenses. You can move around with your weight scale if it's portable, or you can stand near a very strategic place, and a profit is 300 to 500 per day. Also, you can do perfume reselling and refills. The initial stock 3K, packaging 1,000, and marketing 1,000. And remember, you only have 5K. So with this one, it's not like you have an open shop somewhere. No, you can do this from your house. Okay, you can package them in your house, then you just market yourself online. Of course, nowadays online is the best marketing strategy. In the comment section, if you have any other business idea that you can do with 5K in Kenya, how you can do it and how you can run it. Also, make sure to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below, it is free of charge, and also hit the like button so that every time we upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get it. Also, make sure to watch my full playlist on creating passive income on Amazon KDP. Also, watch my full playlist on myths and misconceptions of online work, and also how I was conned in my online work journey.